Silly Little Beaver children's books read aloud.
Snug House, Bug House by Susan Shade and John Bueller. Find it. Think it. Plan it. Ink it. Oh wow, bug house plans. Scoop it. Smash it. Push it. Mash it. Mix it. Pour it. Smooth it. Floor it. Roll it. Wow. Stop it. Saw it. Drop it. Cut it. Glue it. Nail it. Screw it. That is cool. Stir it. Fill it. Paint it. Spill it. Uh-oh. Roof it. Wire it. Nice. Finish it. Admire it. Wow. Ed's room. Fred's room. Anne's room. Fran's room. Spot's room. Dot's room. Crazy room. Lazy room. Sound room. Round room. Small house, ball house, snug house, bug house. The end.
Thank you so much for going on that adventure with me. Please be sure to comment with your thoughts and subscribe to the channel. Enjoy the rest of your day. I'm gonna find something to eat now. Bye-bye.